What do you think of the conference so far?
I think the conference has just been very useful. It has a great foundation that we can learn from and build upon.
I think this conference is great. I'm so impressed. It's amazing. I'm learning so much and I love it. It's a great refresher and I'm also learning new things as well.
So far the conference has been great. I'm excited to be here with my CHN colleagues learning more about how to apply urgent care practices in our primary care scenarios.
It's been extremely comprehensive, very informative. It's a great refresher, whether you're in the field of medicine for 1 year or 20 years like myself.
The conference has been really great, very engaging, definitely the best EKG lecture I've heard ever. It was really good.